In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a new page in the Unika instance. To get started, you'll want to click on the upper right hamburger menu. We'll look at page, click on this plus symbol. For this example, we're going to create a simple employee FAQ intranet page. Hit save. By clicking on the top right hamburger menu again, you're going to get access to a few different features for this page. You'll be able to edit the page, go to your page settings, set any security administration for the page in terms of what users can actually access and view this page. You can also set up this page for a knowledge campaign. So if you want to effectively promote this via email to employees, teams, or departments, you can set up a recurring campaign as well. For this, we'll get started by adding a few elements. We'll start with a hero image. We'll populate it with content and walk you through those steps. So we're going to add a hero image first. It's going to be under page settings. This is also going to be the tab where you can edit and add a new title. So the hero image is going to be under banner image. So I'm going to add hit save. Voila, we've got a hero image now. So I want to add some copy to this page. I'm going to add some preset FAQs that employees typically ask when they're either onboarding or just frequently asked questions. So go back to the hamburger menu. I'm going to hit edit page. Now I'm able to add a section. So once you click add section, you're going to have the option to add a few different types of elements. We have prepackaged available templates for you at your disposal. The blank templates are going to be completely customizable. You'll get those in single, 2-column, 3-column options. We also have intro sections available. So these are essentially headlines, multimedia, so if you want to add content with video. If you're working on a product feature page, there's preset options as well to display multiple areas, benefits, features, etc. So for this, I'm going to set up a blank section and hit next. So now that I have this gray area here, this is going to be a completely editable card that I'm going to add. In the card section, I'm able to add basic elements, images, buttons, lines, spacers, basic elements, text as well. Also to add more complicated features, if I want to add a global search function, if I want to add browser filters or any rich media, other images or videos. So for this example, I'm going to start with a text, a title. I'm going to set the property to none. I don't need to show the border or the title. I'm going to be typing in the title into the box. I don't want to display any icons, and I don't have any custom padding, margin, or any IDs that I need for this. So now to edit this box, I'll click on the pencil icon. I'm going to delete the preset text. I'm going to edit the title, employee FAQs. And then I'm going to center this. So in this view as well, you have some preset options here, all the different headers that you can pick. I'm going to go with header 1 for this title, but you also can make it any size or style to your needs. You can also set this to a URL, a link. You've got your typical bold, italics, underline abilities, bullet points, numbers, and indentations. Again, this is a title, so I'm just going to leave it as that. Make sure you always hit save. Okay, so now I'm going to add the copy or the content to the bottom of this. I'm going to add actually another section to do that, to give it some spacing. Again, I'm going to go with the blank, just one column. Hit next. Add card. Text. Again, property is set to none. I'm not adding a border or a title to this. So I have some copy already worked up that I'm just going to copy and paste into the page. Okay. And then from this tab, I'm able to go in and really edit any of these questions as I'd like. So I'm going to go through. Again, I'm able to link these out to external pages as well. So if I wanted to set this as a page to visit, I can go into the link, add. That is going to be set up as a URL now. So I've added copy now, some frequently asked questions, responses, and save that. Okay, now I want to take a look and see how this looks if I were to publish it. So now I'm going to go back to the hamburger menu, hit view page. All right. Now I've quickly added a employee FAQs page, added a hero image, adjusted the titles, added some content cards with pre-made copy. Now I'm able to actually share this right in security settings. If I want to manage the security of this, I can create a person group that can access this. Since this is a kind of public employee FAQs page, I'm going to leave this open to everybody. But if this were a more secure page, if I had sensitive data or information on it, I would use this feature to really kind of edit permissions and which groups are available to view this. So some additional features as well. If I want to promote this as a knowledge campaign to let employees know, hey, we have a brand new employee FAQ section, I can create a campaign. Campaign name, promote employee FAQs. I would set a preset group, call them employees. Next, everybody. I would select by email, and then I would be able to then go and set the exact dates, the end date for the campaign, the frequency of the campaign, as well as set the messaging in the email. So the subject line, and then I would hit save. And that's really the quickest way to set up a new page and start sharing it internally with your employees. In the next tutorial, we'll take a look at how you can set up knowledge stacks, share additional content information internally or externally.